Hello students, in continuation with the lecture series Reproduction in Organisms, which is the first chapter of class 12 biology, today we will discuss about how the post reproduction events take place in flowering plants. Before moving forward, once again I would like to remind you, please subscribe my channel. So what happens after fertilization? After fertilization, the zygote is formed. The zygote is formed inside the ovule. The zygote is formed inside the ovule. And after fertilization, what happens? All parts of plants except pistil, they fall off. But in some plants like brinjal, tomato, what happens? The sepals remain attached. They remain attached to the developing fruit. So what happens after fertilization? Zygote is formed inside the ovule, and after fertilization all parts of the plant except the pistil fall off. But there are exceptions too. In some plants such as brinjal and tomato, the sepals remain attached to the developing fruit. The zygote further divides several times to form an embryo. And as a result, what happens? The wall of the ovule, it becomes hard and develops into seed. Meanwhile, the ovarian wall also starts to swell, and as a result, ovary develops into fruit, and the ovary wall into a protective layer, and it is known as pericarp. Pericarp is protective in function. So what happens now? The zygote further divides several times to form an embryo. In the meanwhile, what happens? The wall of the ovule becomes hard and they develop into seed. And the ovary develops into fruit, and the ovary wall develops a protective layer, pericarp, which is protective in functions. When seeds mature, what happens? They are dispersed. And they produce new plants. So what happens further? When seeds become mature, they are dispersed and they mature into new plants. So let us have a look at the figure of fruit and seed formation. Let us have a look. So it is the fruit. This is the seed coat. It is the fruit and it is the seed coat, and this is the embryo. This is the embryo, and here is the endosperm. What is endosperm? It is a tissue which develops in the seed of most flowering plants after fertilization. So we have here the fruit, it's the seed coat, we have the embryo, and here it's the endosperm tissue which develops inside the seed of most flowering plants after fertilization. Let us have a look at another figure. Here also it's the same thing. You can draw nice figure from your book. I am just giving you a sample. One long and one short. Leave it. It has become one long and one short. Leave it. Let us draw another one. Okay, let us first draw it. Afterward we will arrange. So here it's in this manner, and here it is in this manner. Okay, so this is the seed and this is the pericarp. So we have the seed and we have the seed here, and this is the pericarp. Seed and pericarp, the protective one, the protective part. So that's all for today. We have completed this lecture series of chapter 1, reproduction in organisms. I hope that you would like my video. Please subscribe it my channel, and if you like my videos, please like it and share it. Thank you.